and Rohit. May I now request the Principal, General Lalhotra, to share his views on Mr. Ganju.
Ganju family, ladies and gentlemen, and boys. At the outset, I need to firstly thank and compliment Mio X, popularly also known as Mars, for organizing this event annually. It means a lot to me. It's meant a lot to Mr. Ganju. It's meant a lot to the Ganju family. It's meant a lot to the old boys celebrating the 50th anniversary. I wish the world could see it. It's meant a lot to our young boys. What has happened and what you have witnessed today is not what you can learn in the classroom. It's not given in the textbooks. The bonding between a teacher and a student can only be passed down by one generation to another generation. You can hear about it in stories, but today you're witnessing it. There are many schools who would be honoring the teachers. It finishes in a few seconds. I know for young boys with so much of energy, to make them sit in a hall and see such a long ceremony, for old boys it's possible. But I'm grateful to you for having maintained your silence and seen how ex-proud students, proud family members, a proud principal sees an ex-proud teacher and principal. Obviously, this where we are standing, I don't think many know that this platform was erected in honor of Her Majesty, the Empress of India, Queen Mary, and was donated by His Highness, the Maharaja of India, where we are seated. And today, you have given Mr. Ganju the same importance and the same feeling as a nation gave to her Empress. Obviously, everyone can't be here, but I'm sure, Ganju sir, the old boys, Mars X and the Golden Jubilee represent not only the small community which has come here, but they represent many more people who are around the world who have the same feeling for you. You touched many hearts, and today the event organized by Mars changes the perception of many a teacher who at times is low and feels, what am I doing over here every day? And it changes the perception of students towards teachers. I often recall the old Chinese story of that bamboo plant or the bamboo tree. It's a plant. That you plant this bamboo plant, first, I believe, 8 years, it remains as a small shoot. And then in 1 year, it just shoots up and becomes 80 feet. Many of you who've been to the Northeast would have experienced some of the Indian bamboos. That it starts somewhere around June, July, and by December, from no height, it goes right to about 20-30 feet. Mr. Ganju did the teacher community proud. He did the principals proud. And we are so happy to have such an eminent personality being honored today. His sons, grandsons, they come from overseas just because they felt that they had a right father, a right grandfather who gave them direction. And I'm sure, like his family members, so many of you who've come and spoken here on the stage, his students and his colleagues, others who are not here have the same feelings. On your behalf, firstly, I'd like to thank MioX, both the brothers, Chota and Bada Kalu, who are there. I think they... Please come up, please come up, please come up. Please come up. They'll see you in a different avatar tomorrow in your football gear, but you need to be presented to the school. They organized this event. Thank you, thank you. It's a lot of effort, a lot of coordination, but they spare the time. They make the job of today's principal and the staff so much easier. They have done what I and my staff couldn't have told the boys in a year's time. They have put it down in a very nice audiovisual, and thereafter these little talks which have been done by these two great people. Incidentally, the compare, the heavyweight, he had one comment to pass, and he said, if you want a good bride, start climbing mountains. I know tomorrow morning half the school is going to be on Madar Hill. Now, boys, don't believe what he said. Don't believe what he said. Yes, climbing the mountains may get you a good bride, but I think that was in his time. There's lots more you got to do, so believe half of what he has said. You know, he's double his size, so believe half of what he has said. He was the national champion, swimming national champion, diving champion, if I'm not mistaken. Swimming, diving champion. So don't go by what he is today. When he was here, maybe he would have had a crush on many girls like Mr. Ganju would have had on many other people. Mr. Ganju looks as handsome as he was. That lovely portrait, look at his eyes, I think very well selected. It shows so much of determination. And when I was looking at Mr. Ganju, he was looking so focusedly that none of his brood should make a mistake. He was looking at them, you know, with stern eyes. And I'm sure he's going to tell them that you didn't speak good enough. And I'm sure he's going to walk up to me, Principal, you didn't match up to the other speech. Thank you, Mr. Ganju, for coming. Thank you, family members. And thank you, Mars. And thank you, everyone. Thank you indeed.